Now, the equilibrium of the motion. A body is said to be in equilibrium if it is at rest or moving with the uniform velocity. In other words, if the linear and angular acceleration of a body are zero, the body is said to be equilibrium. Or we can say that when two or more forces act on the body, such as their resultant is combining effect on the body is zero, and the body retains its state of rest or of uniform motion, then body is said to be in equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium. For the body remain in equilibrium, it must satisfy two conditions known as first and second condition of equilibrium. The first condition of equilibrium states that if a body is in equilibrium, the vector sum of all the forces acting on the body must be equals to 0. This can written as summation of F is equals to F1 plus F2 plus F3, which is equals to 0. The second condition of equilibrium. The torque of a force produces rotation in body which is capable to rotating about axis. Thus the body experiences an angular acceleration. For a body to remain in equilibrium, the positive torque that tends to rotate its counterclockwise must be balanced by equal magnitude. Negative torque that tends to rotate it clockwise. This is second condition of equilibrium. So that the second condition state is if a body is in equilibrium, then the sum of torque acting on a body must be equals to 0. So summation of torque is equals to torque 1, torque 2, torque 3, which is equals to 0. All torque forces are equals to 0. State of equilibrium. Stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, natural equilibrium. First we define the stable equilibrium. A body is said to be in stable equilibrium if it comes back to its original position when it is slightly displaced. When a body which is in stable equilibrium is distributed, its center of gravity is raised. For example, a book lying on a table is in the stable equilibrium. Second is unstable equilibrium. A body is said to be in unstable equilibrium if it does not come back to its original position. When it's slightly displaced, when a body which is in unstable equilibrium is distributed, its center of gravity is lowered. For example, pencil standing on its point or stick in vertical standing position. Next is natural equilibrium. If a body is placed in such a state that it is displaced, then neither it topples over nor does it come back to its original position, then such a state is called the natural equilibrium. When a body which is in a natural equilibrium is distributed, its center of gravity is neither raised nor lowered, but it remains at the same height, for example, the rolling ball.